Hi everyone, I'm Alessandro Volpato, Product Manager of eDire Charger at Texa. eDire Charger is our new solution designed for workshop that works on full electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles. It combines two functions in a single device, charging the traction battery and running a complete diagnosis of the electrical powertrain, including the estimation and certification of the battery state of health. It's a plug-and-play product. All you need is a 3-phase power outlet. It's also fully portable, built on a lightweight trolley with wheels, so you can move it easily around the workshop. It supports both AC and DC charging, with a Type 2 connector for AC and a CCS2 for DC, the two European standard. AC power goes up to 22 kilowatts 3-phase, while DC reaches 22, 30 or 60 kilowatts depending on the model. Diagnostics run through the new Texa NanoService VCI, included in the package, and the SOH certification is generated directly from the vehicle's OBD port. If you haven't invested a fixed charging system yet, eDire Charger is the affordable alternative your workshop is looking for.